Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we are told that we have a table which is showing the results of a study that investigated the therapeutic value of vitamin C in preventing colds. So we have a random sample of 300 adults who received either a vitamin C pill or a sugar pill during a 2-week period, and they reported whether they contracted a cold during that period. We're asked what proportion of adults who received a sugar pill reported contracting a cold. So the proportion here is going to be out of the people who received a sugar pill, right? So dividing by all sugar pilled people, right? How many of those contracted a cold? So the number on top is going to be the people who had a sugar pill and a cold. Okay, so how many people in general took the sugar pills? Well, the sugar pill is this row right here, and we're told the total is 150. How many people took a sugar pill and contracted a cold? That's going to correlate with the sugar pill row again, and then the cold column right here, and we have 33. So the proportion of adults who received a sugar pill contracting a cold is 33 out of 150. This doesn't line up with any of our answers though, because we have to divide the top and the bottom by 3, which is going to give us 11 divided by 50, or B. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.